tentato anche di sapere un po' come fosse Giffoni, però niente ha potuto prepararmi per quello che ho visto oggi. È stupendo, è molto molto bello, con un'energia incredibile.
What I would say to all the young people from different parts of the world today is this is a marvelous situation, Giffoni, to be able to meet young people from different cultures before you've been taught to hate by older people. And you see the similarities that you have. And then you also celebrate the differences of each of your cultures. So perhaps a Macedonian girl can learn about a Finnish fairy tale, or an Israeli boy can teach a boy from Pakistan about his food, and a boy from Pakistan can teach the Israeli about his food. But know that we all are all one, and we come from the same story, and that story is man and woman. And it's how we express that makes it so exciting. So there's a reason to love and not to hate.
Ciao Giffoni! Buongiorno!
Hey, thank you for this amazing welcome. I'm so excited to be here and talk to you guys!
I'll tell you one thing. When you walk into a room and you see 1,000 smiling faces, it only lifts you up as a person, right?
I think as long as you follow your heart and your dreams and you stay true to yourself and you educate yourself and you stay interested, that will lead you to all the beautiful destinations that you could possibly want to find.
I gather there were some children from Palestine eating with some children from Israel. That's how it should be.
These movies are insane. Like, I love them. They're just so different. Like, in America, I feel like all of our songs and movies are about sex and drugs and partying. These actually have stories, things to tell me. They want me to take something away with it.
The chance to express your opinions in front of everyone without being afraid of, let's say, being judged, which is many teenagers are facing now, and this is something you don't face here in Giffoni. So I think this is one of the best things in Giffoni here. You can be whatever you are, you're accepted.
Giffoni for me is a lifetime experience.
Giffoni è una cosa a parte. Anzi, abbiamo trovato una risposta a una delle più grandi domande della vita. Noi chi siamo? Siamo gente che va a Giffoni. E la risposta, davvero, perché è vero, non importa chi sei, non importa dove vieni, la tua lingua, la tua religione, il colore dei tuoi capelli, il colore della tua pelle, tu l'importante, se sei a Giffoni, sei uno di Giffoni, punto.
I like Giffoni because it teaches everyone that being different is okay and that looking different, acting different, talking in a different way is absolutely normal, and that's what's important about this festival.
This year in December when I got the email, I cried, and my dad walked into my room and he goes, "Oh my God, Gab, what's wrong?" And I was like, "Dad, I'm going back to Giffoni, can I go, please, please, please?"
Questo è il quarto anno che partecipo al Giffoni ed è l'esperienza più bella della mia vita, assolutamente, cioè non ci sono proprio paragoni. Ma lo sai perché? Perché 10 giorni su 365 e vivo tutte le emozioni, i sentimenti, le esperienze di una vita.
This is fantastic. This is fantastic, and there should be many, many, many festivals, but right now Giffoni is the only one, and the world will listen to the voices that come from the Giffoni Festival.